The secret weapon for parents cleaning up kids' sticky messes, Goo Gone. Keep it handy for a variety of household messes. It works great on crayon. Grab Goo Gone spray gel and spray onto the area with crayon. Then wipe the crayon away. For glue that's stuck in carpet, grab Goo Gone glue and adhesive remover and apply to a clean cloth. Blot and wipe the glue until it disappears. An unwanted sticker is no match for Goo Gone spray gel. Even gum that's well past the 5-second rule can be removed with Goo Gone glue and adhesive remover. Goo Gone, good as gone.